Okay, guys, yesterday I posted some trading signals within the Telegram channel and we ate all the profits yesterday. That was so amazing. I'm so happy that we are able to achieve all the TPs right from there. Okay, so in today's video, we will be checking out all those signals, we will be checking out their performance, and of course, I will also use it as an opportunity to explain to you in details how I came about all those signals so that you too can learn to generate signals on your own. Okay, so this is very, very important. These are profitable trading signals. Okay, so you too should be able to generate them on your own. Okay, and of course, guys, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. And of course, if you want to reach out to me via WhatsApp, you can also do so right away. This is my WhatsApp number. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Yesterday, we generated some signals on the Telegram channel. I posted those signals on the Telegram channel and it was successful. Today, let me show you some of the trading signals for the purpose, for the benefit of those that are not on the Telegram channel. Okay, so that they will know what we are doing with the Telegram within the Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel, and you can see this was posted yesterday. Okay, about 72 people actually viewed this signal. Okay, this is the first signal. 69 people viewed it. The second signal, 59 people also viewed that. So you can see quite a lot of people are actually making a lot of money from here. So let's take the signals one after the other. And while analyzing the signals, you will also learn how I generate those signals. Okay, for the first signal, it is GaineX 1200. Okay, and of course, it is a buy signal. Now, let's check it out. Okay, so GaineX 1200. This is GaineX 1200, just the way we are saying it. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. And of course, let me show you the inputs. Okay, so you can see the stop loss 89590.35. Okay, let's check it out. This is the stop loss 89590.35. Okay, so this is the stop loss. Now let's check out our entry point, guys. This is our entry point 89687.44. Okay, this is our entry point 89687.44. So this is the entry point. Now let's check out the first, the second TP, and the third TP. The first TP for GaineX 1200 is actually 89762.01. Okay, so you can see 89762.01. So this is the first TP, this is the second TP, and this is the third TP. Let's confirm the third TP, guys. Let's confirm it. Okay, I don't want to waste our time. That is why I'm trying to that is 89872 0.24. Okay, now let me try and bring this out because of those that are not saying what I am doing. Okay, you can see it right from there. Let me try. You can see 89872.424 rather. Okay, so that's the third TP, which happened to be the last TP. Okay, so this is the reason for taking this signal. Okay, if you should notice, this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. We got the downtrend signal, we got the sell signal, and it's so for long. Got to this support zone. We actually thought it would go back on uptrend, but it was unable to go fully on uptrend, went back and break out below the support zone. Like I said, the support zones can be broken. Okay, so this is very, very important. So, and when it was broken, it sold more to get to a new support zone. Okay, it got to this support zone, tried it out again, still went down to break out below it, and of course, this time around got to somewhere here. Okay, because it has gotten to somewhere here, why did I choose this as my entry point? I had to be sure if it's going to break out from the next support zone. So I draw out a trend line right from here, and of course, it ended somewhere here. Okay, let me try it out. So I draw out a trend line, and I made sure the trend line actually cut off from this, I mean, touch this and also touch this. And of course, it's cut off from this. Okay, so I was now waiting for it to break out above it. It broke out above this, but I noticed that it was ranging within this section. So I decided to put my entry point a little bit above this section that it was ranging. Now, once it get there, then it should buy. Okay, so you can see it started buying right from there. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. This is spikes trading. You can imagine this will have given a lot of profit if you are taking it. Okay, so and after doing that, I put my stop loss somewhere here, set my first TP at this point, second TP at this point, and the third TP at this point, because here is the resistance zone, and I feel it might want to pull back at that point, or even change the direction of the trend. So I decided to end the trading activities somewhere here. That is why I put my last TP there. So you can see it broke out. I mean, got to the first TP, second TP, and third TP. So with that, we're able to smash all the TPs. Okay. Now let's check out the second asset. Okay. The second asset happens to be PINX 999. Okay, let's check it out. It is also a buy signal. Okay, PINX 999. Okay, so this is PINX 999, and of course, also on 15-minute time frame. So we're going to analyze this together. Okay, so now let's check it out. Okay, so this is the entry. Okay, the stop loss is at this for 105 104,640.17. 104. So you can see, if you can see this, 104,640 0.17. Let me bring this out so that you always see it. You can see it right from there. So you can see that this is real. Okay, so that's our stop loss, and this is our entry point. We also add TP1, TP2, and TP3 at this point. Okay, now let me quickly give us a quick example, I mean a reason in this. Okay, so if you should notice this also had been on downtrend for a while, and of course it has been trying to go back on uptrend. It has not been able to do that successfully. So I also had to draw out trend lines to mark out some specific sections right from here. Okay, and of course after doing that, I it actually went above my entry point. Okay, before got I think I was a bit busy, so it has started the trend already before I got to know about it. So I have to recalculate again and notice that okay, I can use this place as my stop loss, and take this as my entry point because of this section right here. So I decide to take this point as my entry point, because if it breaks out above this, then definitely it should buy more. So that is why I decided to use this point as my entry point. And as you can see, it got to the first entry, the first TP, second TP, and third TP. So we smashed all the three TPs. This is also 15 minutes time frame. So this is long trading opportunities, in case you don't know. Okay, so all the three TPs were also smashed here too. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is, guys. So guys, you can see that if you understand the trend trading pattern, then you will be able to milk the market all the time. You are most likely to be milking the market all the time, and you are most likely to be having profitable trading activities on daily basis. All you just need to do is just for you to understand how to identify the trend, most especially from the beginning, how to identify your support and resistance zone. If you don't know how to do any of these three, you can get indicators that can help you to identify them easily. I'm using a custom made indicator. Those that are my students are also having it. Most of them are having it. So those that are not having it, it's because they've not asked for it. Okay, so if you want to have it, then you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay, so that's the first thing. Okay, so if you are able to identify the trends, the support, the resistance zone, then the next thing is to learn how to draw out your trend lines. Okay, if you should notice in my videos within the last few days, I have been explaining how you can use trend line to confirm your entry points and the direction of the trend. Okay, This is very, very important. For instance, this indicator, when it is on downtrend, it gives you this red color. When it is on uptrend, it gives you this color. So if it is on downtrend, you should only obey the red arrows. If it is on uptrend, you should only obey the blue arrows. Okay. And of course, it must either come either from the support region or from the resistance zone. If it is on downtrend, then it should be from the resistance zone. If it is on uptrend, then it should be from the support zone. Okay, so all these are very, very important. And if you are able to understand all these and you are able to put them together, then you are most likely to be milking the market all the time. Okay, while you are trying to learn, I will advise you to join my Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box, and I'll try as much as possible to also add it up to the comment section. And of course, as soon as I'm able to get a reasonable signal, I will post it down there on the Telegram channel so that you too can also take advantage of it. It is 100% free, guys. It is 100% free. I'm not asking for any extra charges or fees for that. It is 100% free. So it is a win-win opportunity for each and every one of us. Okay, it is just for you to be able to learn and also build some confidence, some trading confidence within the market, even as you are learning. Okay, and if you want to have the trading tool, you can also contact me on WhatsApp. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.